Hi friends, today we'll see how to prepare masala ganji. Let us see the ingredients. Onion 1, tomato 1, green chili 2, cinnamon and clove 4 to 5 pieces, coriander leaves, mint leaves a few, oil 4 teaspoons, ginger garlic paste 3 teaspoons, green gram dal 1 small cup, coconut finely chopped 2 teaspoon, turmeric 1 by 4th of teaspoon, salt 1 and a half teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, rice soji 200 grams, water 1 liter. See how to prepare this. So please have your vessel with oil, onion and clove, cinnamon. So make sure the onion turns reddish. Mix the content very well, and then put 2 green chilies, and then ginger garlic paste. Mix the content very well. Now put finely chopped tomatoes into the content and mix it very well. So after this we need to add coriander leaves, mint leaves into the content and mix the content very well. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and then salt into the content. Mix the content very well before adding water into it. Now add finely chopped coconut and then 1 liter of water into the content. Mix the content very well. So after adding water we need to place a lid and then wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes we need to reopen the lid and then mix moong dal as well as rice soji into it. Now please add green gram dal as well as rice soji into the content before placing cooker lid onto it. Then wait for 5 minutes until you listen a whistle. Here it is. Delicious preparation is ready for serving. Please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.